Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to customize the Shopify Sense theme. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page is go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see online store, you're going to tap right there. This is going to automatically carry you to the themes page. Once on the themes page, you're going to scroll down, and if you don't have the Sense theme installed as yet, all you'll need to do is scroll down, and right where you see it, you're going to tap on add. After selecting add, you're going to scroll back up, and from there you're going to tap on customize. So once you have selected customize, you'll be redirected to the editor page, and you're going to land on the home page as you can see right here. I'll be showing you step by step how you can customize this page and all the pages on the Sense theme. So the first thing you can edit is the announcement bar section. So you can either tap on the announcement bar right here, or you could go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see header, you could select announcement bar. Then from there, you can choose whether you would like to change the color. So you can tap on edit. After selecting edit, you can choose whether you'd like to change the background color. So you could tap on background right here. And let's say I would like to change the background color to blue. You can tap on blue. After you have selected blue, you can choose the different shade of blue that you'd like to use. As you can see right there, there are different shades. Then you can tap on that. You can also change the background gradient, and you can also change the text as you can see right here. So there are numerous editing options that you can select from. After you have made the changes to your liking, you can tap on the X right there. You can also tap on right where you see change, and you can change the different scheme as you can see right here. So if you'd like to change it to purple, you can do that. You can scroll down and you can choose from any one of these schemes. And by scrolling down, if you would like to, for example, add the country selector, you can tap on enable right here, and it will be added to the announcement bar. You can also scroll down, and where you see theme settings, if you were to tap right there, you'll be able to add your social media links. So for example, you could add your Facebook link or Instagram link, and it will be displayed in the announcement bar section. After you have set up the announcement bar to your liking, you can now start editing the header section right here. To edit the header section, you can simply tap on it. After you have selected that, you can choose the position of your logo. So you can tap right where you see top center. If you don't have a logo at the moment, you can tap on theme settings right here. After tapping on theme settings, you'll be able to upload your logo. A good platform to create a stunning logo would be Canva, as you'll be able to use Canva for free. But for now, we'll explore one of the free images, and I'm going to set it as my logo. So let's say this image, then I'll simply tap on select. After I've tapped on select, you can see the logo right there. And from there, I can change the size. So I could change the size if I want. I could make it smaller, or I could make it larger. I can also add Firecon image. And the Firecon image would basically be the image that is added right beside the URL. So you can add a Firecon image right there if you want also. But we'll leave this as is. So you'll tap right there. You could also change the colors by tapping on colors. You could change the color scheme for your entire website. But to go back to the different editing, you'll tap on sections in the top left hand corner. Now you're going to scroll down, and you'll see the option image and text, which is this section right here. If you would like to make any changes to that section, you can simply tap on it. After you have tapped on it, if you would like to add an image, you can tap on image, and you'll add an image. If you would like to change the image height, you can do that. So you can make it small if you want, or you can make it adapt to image. You can do that, or you can choose medium or large. You have numerous editing options. You can also select the desktop editing options, as you can see right here, to optimize it for desktop. And you can also optimize it for mobile separately. If you would like the image to be animated, you can do that. So you could select ambient movement or zoom in on scroll. You can select that also. So let's say we were to add an image. So we are going to scroll back up and we're going to select one of the free images. Let me do that real quick. So let's say I were to select this image, then tap on select. You can see the image has now been added, as you can see right there. And again, remember I was saying we could change the image height, but we are going to leave it as is. And we are going to leave it at zoom in on scroll, or if you like it to be ambient movement, you can do that, so you can see the effect of that animation right there. After doing that, we're going to go back. Then from there, you can also tap on add section right below the featured collection. And if it was a case that you would like to add a slideshow to your home page, you can do that by tapping on the plus right here to add slideshow. If you would like to add a featured product, so that means a single product to the home page, you could do that by tapping right there. You can also edit the email sign up by tapping on email sign up. So that is the section in the footer area right here. And from here, you can customize the background color and so on. If it is a case that you would like to remove this section, you can simply tap on the trash can to remove it, or you could tap on the eye icon right there, as you can see, and it will hide that option. But I prefer it being there, so you can leave it as is. After doing all of that, if you would like to continue editing the footer section, you could tap on footer, and then from there you can scroll down. And if you would like to enable follow on shop, you can do that, or you can remove those options. If you would like to display the policy links, you can tap there. If you would like to show payment icons, you can tap right there. So this will in turn help to build your store credibility by displaying the payment icons and so on. Now to edit the other pages on your store, you're going to tap on home. After selecting home, you can see the product pages, collection pages, and the regular pages and blog pages. Now to edit the product pages, you would select products, then you'll tap on default product. After selecting default product, you'll be redirected to the product page. So this is our product page at the moment. Now to customize it, the steps are basically the same. You will see all of the customizing options from the left hand menu option right here. So you can see the title. You can choose whether you'd like to hide the title or leave it. You can also see the price section. You can tap right there and you'll be able to edit the price. And you can scroll down if it is a case that you'd like to add a block. For example, you'd like to add a text or pop-up, you can do that by tapping right there. You can also tap on add sections. If you would like to add a featured product or so on, you can do that from this section. Now, what I want you to also do is go over to the left-hand menu option and where you see theme settings. From here, you'll be able to create or edit your logo. And you'll also be able to edit the theme colors, as you can see right here, animations, and also the buttons. So you can change the size of the buttons and so on. And by scrolling down, you will see the numerous editing options that you have. You can edit the currency format. You can also add your social media links right here. You can add brand information. You can edit the badges color. You can also edit the checkout page. By selecting checkout, you could add a background image if you want by selecting it right there, and you can choose the positioning of the background image and so on. So you can edit your checkout page to your liking. And by tapping on app embeds, so this is where you'll simply enable apps that you have added in the future. After making all your changes, be sure to tap on save in the top right hand corner. And if you would like to publish this page, so the Sense theme, if you'd like to publish it, all you need to do is tap on publish for it to go live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.